In full swing this morning. Pancakes, coffees, pancakes coming in hot. More coffees. More coffees. Jeez, that's cute, mate. I like your mug.
Thank you. I really do too.
Coffees.
More coffees. All right, what do we got? Nutella.
Oh, mate.
Show us the
Look at
creation.
that is just everything.
Nutella on the bottom, ice cream on the top.
That's protein powder.
Protein powder. Woohoo! What's going on, big fella? What's going on today?
Checking the essentials. Got to do that with corrugation.
Where are we headed?
We're heading to the Lost City, Bewley Rockhole, and then Darwin.
Darwin! The big D!
Hey.
Looking forward to Bewley, mate.
I can't wait.
And then Darwin.
But we'll get, we're going to do Lost City first so we can get a bit of a, our body core temperatures up. Otherwise it's going to be bloody cold in Bewley, I reckon.
Let it get nice and warm before we go for a swim.
Yep, and then Darwin, party night.
Party night in Darwin.
We got the party shirt?
Yeah, I got the party shirt.
Yeah, I got my party shirt.
We're going to look like the biggest in Darwin.
We're going to look like your biggest out-of-towners.
Either that or we might just look local.
Yeah, good.
Alright, so we're making our way down to this beautiful little swimming hole. Takes a little bit of adventuring, a little bit of off the beaten track.
Magic is this?
Welcome to another cracking waterfall.
Bewley. Waterfalls, Bewley. It looks extremely bloody busy. So we'll see how we go. Alex reckons this one's the goods. There's not too many people here.
Yeah, no, only a few. I could probably count them on my hand.
Find a nice little quiet spot to ourselves and relax.
This is a perfect example of why you buy yourself a four-wheel drive and you get to go to all the places that only four-wheel drivers can get to, so you don't have to deal with this This is a magical spot, but it is so bloody busy, it's insane.
That is disappointing. There are way too many people. Sandy Creek.
Sandy
Far out.
Creek.
That was all time because we were literally, 1 in 10 people there enjoying it.
This is,
It's disappointing.
we didn't even swim, put it that way.
Yeah.
It was that busy we didn't even go for a swim, but there's another set of falls further up the road.
We're going to go check them out.
Florence Falls, we have a sneaky suspicion we're gonna have the same problem. Also half our fault, we are here in
Peak season.
peak season.
School holidays.
School holidays have just started, so oh well, we just need to
Move on to the next one.
disappear on the bush and find some more secret waterfalls like the last one.
Oh yeah.
Ho ho. Well, we've got the noodles, we got the Zupa Dupas, we got the full bowl, and we're pretty sure we're going to turn around and probably walk back to the car. Nah, we're swimming this one. my god, this is legitimately busier than Wet and Wild.
Are we in Wet and Wild?
How much fun are you having?
Watch yourself.
Alright, so if you come here and it's busy, go to your right. A little bit of rock climbing.
Hey, look at this.
And we've got our own little private spot on this side of the waterfall. We did it, Well, that one was a winner. Is that one a winner?
That's a winner. That's pick a dinner.
What are we doing now?
Lunch.
Lunch! Go find a nice shady spot for a bit of lunch.
Conversation band.
Only on some people.
Korma. We're on the cold ones. Sausages are on the go. We've got the setup dialed now. You wouldn't believe where we are.
Hey.
Favourite swimming hole?
Oh, Sandy Creek.
Sandy Creek. Sandy. What's your favourite?
Pretty good, yeah, Sandy.
Sandy. What's your favourite?
Oh no, I'm gonna say Sandy.
Yes, I Sandy.
Sandy. Sandy all the way.
Jesus.
Okay, I could potentially be swayed to Secret Falls.
If they're
Secret.
Wait, yeah.
Oh,
Some
Secret.
falls were pretty cool.
from today.
Secret Falls from today.
Yeah, pretty mid. Actually, yeah, that's the one.
If there
Secret
weren't
Falls?
that many
Secret.
fish in the other waterfalls, you probably would have enjoyed them a lot more.
I like the lines. Lines is pretty bad. Secret Falls for the win. And you'll never know where it is. We got back on the blacktop for about 5 minutes. We got over it. We had a look on the HEMA. We've managed to find what looks to be a dirt road all the way into the back of Darwin, basically. So at the moment, we're following our noses and seeing if we can make it.
It's actually pretty cool. Something a little bit different.
It's a bit off-road.
It is for sure.
Oh, nice. Oh, a well overdue cold skewy at the old Humpty Doo Dah Day. Hot. Hot.
What about some jerky?
Woohoo! We made it to the Big D.
Hey!
Donnie's favourite thing.
Yeah.
How's the setup?
Everything about D.
Look at this shanty town we got going on over here. Rooftop city, 270 plus a little dangle bit. Awnings are going off.
Classic AMT 4x4 bit of gear over there.
We've got the local attire on tonight. We're going out for a few beverages in Darwin, which should be good.
I can't wait.
What are the chances? No, do it.
Where's your party shirt?
Didn't get a memo. Boys only.
Yeah, boys only party shirt.
Turns out Stace can't party.
Tiff and I have got the same.
So stay tuned. I'm not going to take the GoPro out tonight, but Darwin, we're going out for a night on the town. Cannot wait. Matching with Stace. The girls are going matching. That's cute.
Are we gonna know who's who?
No.
In the meantime. Alright, well there we go. Litchfield National Park done and dusted. What an epic spot. An absolute must for your bucket list. Now look, stay tuned next week as we take on Kakadu National Park. Massive waterfalls, beautiful swimming holes, and a few major breakdowns with the convoy. Find out if we make it. See you next week.